Hi. So, as you can see, I have a new album. It is Oh My Girls, Windy Day. This is the repackage of Pink Ocean, and this was sent to me by lovely Miranda on YouTube, whose link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for sending this to me. She had an extra copy, so she sent it to me because it just stumbled upon talking, and she was like, oh, I can send it to you. And she sent me this really pretty card and all of that good stuff. So thank you very much for sending this to me. Oh, and there was this as well, this cute like tuna sushi phone charm. So that's really cute because like I'm a lavish bitch, so I likes the sushi. So here it's like jewel case, sturdy though. I really love this album. Pink Ocean was one of my favorites of last year, and the two new songs were really great. So where's the track list? Here you go. We have Windy Day, Stupid in Love, which is a duet between Binnie and Seunghee, I think. Liar Liar, B612, I Found Love, Knock Knock, One Step, Two Step, and then there's a Chinese version of Liar Liar, and there's a deer. So real exciting. Ooh, a lot of green. Ugh. My bias is Seunghee. I just think she's gorgeous. So open it up and you have the CD and the photo book, and I already looked through it. I've already seen unboxings, and this you can breathe. So thank you, WM, for doing it right. So here's the disc. Ooh. I'm still like getting used to this angle. It's so bizarre to me. I don't know. So yeah. And she included the photo card, which is extra great. So we got Ginny with the grapes. How cute. So let's just look through this, shall we? Oh, I really like Binnie. She's one of my favorites. And then of course there's just lovely photos. Oh, Mimi, hey girl. Ginny. Oh, I like the hair color. Yes. Should we zoom in a little bit? Oh, okay. I think that worked. Yeah. She's also one of my favorites. And of course, Seunghee. She looks like a freaking princess, and her vocals is slaying it. Then we have some Jihyo. She's another really pretty one. They're all really pretty. Like, yes. Hyojung. Gorgeous. Oh, Auden. Just, oh, I like these like tiaras. So nice. More Seunghee and some Hyojung. Binnie looking oh so beautiful and precious. Oh, that's a really pretty picture. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I like these. This like with the sun. Oh, it looks really nice. Just gorgeous. Gorge. Oh, trying to get these ones that are like hiding in the crease. Then, ooh, okay. A little vertical shot. Then we have some more Ginny. Oh, that's really pretty. I like this nature in the background. Oh, my two favorites, Binnie and Seunghee. We're gonna put the photo card there. Bookmark it. Just a lot of gorgeous photos. This deer, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like the forest god in Princess Mononoke. More pictures. It's a thick photo book. Oh, look at this fashion. Ooh. Oh, I like her skirt. Oh my gosh, it's really pretty. Oh. And then we have the lyrics. And Windy Day is a really cool song. It like switches up a lot. Like there's no like percussion in the verses, but then when it gets to the chorus, it like switches up and sounds like a completely different song. And then after the chorus and like the I guess like the post-chorus part, it sounds way different than the chorus did. Stupid in Love is like an R&B type ballad. And then Liar Liar, of course, is freaking flawlessly phenomenal. B612 as well. I Found Love is so good. Peep the High Note by Miss Benny. Knock Knock is another really good one. How does this one go? Knock Knock. Don't Let Them Fool You, Girl. Oh, I remember now. And then One Step, Two Step, which is another one of my favorites and one of my favorite songs of last year. By Jin Young. It's so gorgeous. Like, it's such a gorgeous song. And then there's the lyrics to the Chinese version and then credits. So that is it. So as of now, the only Oh My Girl album I have left to get is the summer one, which I will be getting sometime. Who knows when? We'll see. But yes, thank you again, Miranda, for being so generous to send this extra copy of Oh My Girl with the photo card to me. I love it. Oh My Girl is a really great group. So if you like kind of cutesy but with kind of a little quirkiness, I guess, you should check them out because they deliver. Like visuals, rap, dancing, vocal slay on 1, 2, not you, 2 and 3. Miss Yua, she can sing. Like, if you have not seen it, I'm recommending this to you now. They did a cover of Beyonce's Halo. It was Hyojung, Yua, and Sunghee, and it was amazing. So you should check it out. So yes, I will see you guys on the next video. Don't expect a lot of unboxings because I'm like trying to conserve my money. So college life, but other videos will come, like stuff. Oh, and I made a video saying ask me some questions for my Q&A, so I'll leave that in the description box as well. I won't be actually filming that until later this month. So yeah, and I also have to film my top songs of February. I'm behind. Bye.